The 7 biggest mistakes people make when hiring a plumber. Mistake number 1. You hire a plumber based only on price. If you want good plumbing, you should decide to deal with a plumber because of the overall value you receive, not because of the lowest price. Mistake number 2. You think all plumbers are the same. Most places require that you use only licensed plumbers. Ask to see the plumber's license. Mistake number 3. You have 3 or more plumbers competing with each other for your work. You may think this is a good way to do business, but here's why it usually isn't a good way to deal with plumbers. A good plumber has enough loyal customers that they don't have to deal with price shoppers. But price should not be more important than good quality and good service. Mistake number 4. You think having the right tools is all the plumber needs to do your job. Mistake number 5. You don't give your plumber enough time to complete the job properly. Mistake number 6. You hire plumbers who don't guarantee their work. Ask for a guarantee in writing. Mistake number 7. You don't ask for references. Now, this is probably the easiest way to avoid any problems with a plumber. Ready to talk to the plumbing experts? Get in touch now, 801-509-5890.